everybody, we're back for another video, and you can see I have a little kitty sitting right next to me. She wanted to see what was inside of this pouch. This is, as you can tell, a blue pouch. So it came from Chic Sparrow. And you've probably seen my most recent Chic Sparrow video where I unboxed this beauty. I've been using it as my wallet. I've moved a few things so you can't really see it, but I've been loving this as my wallet again, especially during this time. Hold on a second, hold that thought. So I've been using this when I go out instead of, carrying my personal size or my A6, because this I can just fit into my pocket when going to the grocery store or some other place. It's just a little bit more convenient. I love this, but this season we're in, this helps so much better than this. This stays at home and gets used on the desk next to the little kitty. So let's slide these things out. I did order the leather I was wanting in this, which I had had before, was a chocolate creme. And of course they're out of those and they won't be getting them anymore. So what I decided to do was to do a second chance and kind of see what I got. And I also ordered a few dashboards as well. So there's the beautiful card with the new Lewis and Clark. And I did get a cute little birdie sticker. So we've got that. I'm not going to look at the receipt because it'll tell me what leather it is. But I did order a few inserts. Let me open the little baggie. I did order some of the Nano inserts. This is a lined insert. This is a lined insert, and this might be like oh, it's a lined. I think it's whatever they have in stock is what you get, and they have lined inserts. And these are actually great for like on-the-go, what's it called? Grocery lists and to-dos and stuff like that, so I know what needs to get done so I can get home quickly. So there's that. These came a little bit dinged up, but it's plastic, so it'll work itself out. Two of the card holders, ID holders. And then I did get two of the A6, because I only have one A6 in here. And this is an old Foxy Fix one from like 2016 maybe, before they even marked what they were. And I haven't had a Chic Sparrow one in a long time, and it fits perfectly around my inserts. Nice. Okay, I'll put those away because they're just shiny and will mess with the camera. Now, this feels like it's a Darcy leather. Please be something neutral. What I did ask for something neutral. Where is it? Where's my... I'm folding it so I don't see it. I wrote brown and black or neutral colors. That was my comments. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a Hemingway. And It's the buttered rum, or what used to be the buttered rum Darcy, which is a, yeah, this is an old one. What did they call it? Austin line now, but since it has the oil dye on the corners, it's a Hemingway. But what is this one called? Madrid. This one is called Madrid. And you saw I have that beautiful field note size one, which I've got over here somewhere. I've got it set up. Oh no, I don't have that one set up. Where is that? I have the larger one, which this over time will darken to this, because I think this is what used to be the toffee, or now the Darcy and the Austin. This will darken to that over time due to sunlight. It's beautiful. It's a firmer leather than this is the I think it's called the Eastwood in the new line. It's beautiful and it's really soft. And this is much firmer leather. I don't really see any. Let me get that out of the way. I don't really see any imperfections in it. The stitching looks great. The only thing is maybe the dye took differently there because the cow has markings. But that is really, really, really pretty. So, there. Just a quick little unboxing. I was in the midst of doing a review of some gel pens and markers when this arrived today. So expect, that'll probably come before this. So yeah, so there it is, my Chic Sparrow. It is the Madrid, I think that's what I said. Yes, the Madrid in the Hemingway line. And it's a really beautiful, beautiful notebook. I like the little teeny tiny notebooks. Okay, so there we are. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I will link Chic Sparrow. And like I said, there's just a few more unboxings coming to the channel, and then there will be no more unboxings. It'll just be planning and art and tutorials and flute and that type of stuff. So there you are. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.